Hi, it's Kate. Today I will be working not with flat paper and I will be making no card or art journal. I will be playing with this paper mache, I don't know how it's pronouncing in English, but with this material. It's a cat, and before I will be doing decoupage. Before it, you always need to color your object with white acrylic paint, because rice paper or tissue paper which we will be using, you can see through, it's very thin, and when you glue it to the dark surface it will be dark. So I took my cat and I painted it with just basic white acrylic color and I let it dry. So this was at the beginning, this material, and this is now, and it's ready to craft. I will be using decoupage glue. You can use Mod Podge, you can use any kind of glue which you like. I will be doing decoupaging and then I will use pink flock and sparkles to decorate my cat. I will show you just a bit from this decoupage technique because it's all the time the same. It's better to cut your paper to smaller pieces. It's not so curly and it's very easy. This decoupage paper, if you don't have decoupage paper at home, you can use a napkin. Just remove two. There are 3 layers at basic napkin and you should remove 2 of them just to have the printed one. But I have here a lovely decoupage paper. It's from the Decoupage brand. But you can use any tissue paper. Don't use any heavyweight papers. No, it has to be very, very thin and airy. Really very thin. I'm not cutting whole paper. I'm just cutting bits, and when there's missing, I continue. So this is my glue. And I have just basic old brush. Important is not to have brush with hard hair. It has to be soft because you don't want to tear paper. I will show you just a bit. So you apply your glue. It's very easy technique. It's well-known technique. I'm not inventing anything super special. You are just making collage at your object. You can have object like this, or you can take any packaging like small box from the mail and you can decorate it, or glass bottles. Really anything, almost anything can be decorated with this technique. And like this, I will be continuing through whole my cat. Nothing complicated. Paper is thin, so it reacts really great with glue. If you don't have Mod Podge, if you don't have like this glue, there are other glues. Important is that they dry and they are clear, so you can see through. Do not use glues which dries into white, because you will cover your object or your paper. And like this, I will be continuing off the camera and I will be back when it will be dry and we will be applying sparkles and flocks to the cat. So stay tuned. So my cat is ready for decoration. It's covered with decoupage paper, it's dry. This product, this decoupage extreme varnish, it makes lovely satin surface and I think it's suitable for exterior, so I can place it in the garden and my cat should be alive, but I'm not sure. I will place it on my bookcase. Now it's time to decorate it. Oh, one tip: if you are impatient with waiting for drying, just take wow embossing powder heat tool, setting 1. It's drying and it helps so much with drying. I have here heavy body gel, I have here brush, spoon and pink flock. And I will add just details with this pink flock. I will make, it's very heavy body gel, this thing, so I will apply quite great amount of this heavy body gel into ears like this, and when it's still wet I will take pink flock and I will apply pink flock there. Oh, this is super cute, look. I have pink ears in my cat. If you don't have pink flock, use pink embossing powder. The second ear. Do not touch it, it will be air drying. No rush. Again, apply great amount, not huge amount, but you need surface to stick. If you don't have heavy body gel, use any kind of gluey medium. And time for my flock. If you applied flock at the place where you don't want to have it, just remove it. Glue is still wet, so I can touch it, I can push my flocks into it. So, can you see? I am cat. Now it's time to make nose. Not big, not small. We need place for our flock. This tool by Tonic, it's great, it's very handy. I can even touch the whole nose into the bottle with the flock. Now I will remove what I don't like. This is such a cool technique. I have nose. Now, no more pink flocks. Now it's time for glitters, and for glitters I need another glue, something more liquid, so I will use this glue again because it's very liquid, it's working. I want to have sparkles like here and there. Oh, one thing, if you don't like to touch glue, make decoupage with the gloves. I don't mind to touch glue, so I didn't use it. But sometimes it's not easy to clean your fingers. So, this is very liquid glue, and I will make a heart here. It's not visible for you now at the camera. I'm trying to draw a heart. And I have sparkles, crystal. Oh, it's there. It is there. It's my heart. You can see detail photos at the end of the video. So if you don't see it at the camera, it's, yes, sparkles in crystal color. They are not so visible, but it's beautiful. you can cover whole your object with sparkles. I want to have them just here and there. Okay, there is heart number 2. And I don't know. Maybe I will make one more here. When everything will be dry, I will add just a bow to my cat and it will be ready. Now I will not dry it with the heat tool because sparkles can fly like everywhere. So this is heart number 3. Maybe I should use another color of sparkles, but I like it like it is. So it's everything from me for today. I will clean this because sparkles, it's a very flying object. And I will add bow to my cat and it's done. Very easy project, very fun project. I hope you like it. If you like it, leave us comment, subscribe, and I wish you a nice day.